Hey guys, we're back at it again for part 2. The water's still filling up. Hey boys, how you doing? The boys aren't doing too hot. Let's go back over to the water to check on it. Ah, look at that, it's almost full. Now, quick little disclaimer. If you're going to decide to farm pigs, whether you want to breed them or raise them for meat, if you're going to do that, just know the daily struggles. You got to give them water every day. You got to feed them. Like, in the summertime, it's the hardest in the summertime, honestly. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!